Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x plus 7 whole square is equals to 64, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And here in the first method, we move this 64 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as x plus 7 whole square. This is positive term. When we move it into the left hand side, it will become negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, we rewrite this equation as this is x plus 7 whole square minus this is 64, and we know about that as 64 equals to 8 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, we need to use here this nice algebraic formula. You know about that if we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. According to this formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we need to substitute both of these two values of a and b into the below formula, and after substituting these values here, it will be written as, first we have the factor is a minus b. The value of a is x plus 7 minus the value of b is 8 into the second factor is a plus b. The value of a is x plus 7 and plus the value of b is 8, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step, here we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is 7 minus 8 becomes minus 1 into, from here we have 7 plus 8 becomes here 15, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 15 is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to plus 1. This is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we move this plus 15 to the right hand side, and it will becomes minus 15, and this is the second real root of the given equation. So from first method, we will get these are the two roots of the given equation. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that which of the root are solution and which of the root are extraneous root. So for verification of the roots, we need to copy down given question statement here. And our given question statement is x plus 7 whole square is equals to 64. And in this side, we will be verify x is equals to 1. And in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus 15. So here we substitute both of these two values to the above equation, and when we put these values here, it will be written as, so when you put x equals 1 here, it will becomes 1 plus 7 whole square is equals to 64 or not. This is the our claim, and 1 plus 7 becomes here 8 square equals to 64, and you clearly see here 8 square becomes 64 equals to 64. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we move towards our second value of x, and here we put this value into the left hand side, and it will be written as minus 15 plus 7 whole square is equals to 64. So minus 15 plus 7 becomes minus 8 whole square equals to 64, and here again you clearly see that 64 equals to 64 because minus 8 square becomes plus 64. So this also shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that both of the values are satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set of the given question is 1 and minus 15. So this is the solution set which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem from second method. And in second method here we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x plus 7 whole square is equals to 64. So this is the given question statement, and here our second method be the very quick method, and here we quickly get the values of x. So in this method we solve this problem with the help of a square root, so that here we need to take square root on both of the sides. So when we apply square root on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form. Further, you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x plus 7 is equals to, here we see that the square root of 64 equals to 8. Also we know about that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will write here plus minus sign on any one of the sides, so we write this into the right hand side. So further in the next step, we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 7 equals to plus 8, and the second case is we write x plus 7 is equals to minus 8. So here we need little bit more simplification, and here we easily get the values of x. So here we move plus 7 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 8 minus 7. So here we get the value of x is equals to plus 1. So from second method we get this is the first root, and from here we again move this plus 7 to the right hand side, and it will becomes, this is plus 7 becomes here minus 7, and we get the value of x is equals to minus 8 minus 7 becomes minus 15. So in the second method we again get the value of x is equals to minus 15, and in the first method we already verified that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. This means that the solution set of the given question is 1 and minus 15. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.